everybody. Today is November 9th, and Lucy is going to have her first try of sweet potatoes. Her first vegetable ever. We have to get you ready for Thanksgiving, so let's see. How is it? Huh? How is it, Lou?
White.
What, honey?
White iPad got some.
We're recording it so we can...
White iPad.
How is it, Lucy?
What the way?
Is that good?
The way shop.
Do you like that? Is that good, sweet potatoes? Are you ready for
Mama.
Thanksgiving?
The outfit. The way say shop.
Mikey, do you think she likes it?
Yeah.
You do? I'm not sure. Is that good, Lucy? Oh. I don't think your sister is into food yet. You take one more bite? Lucy. Luciana. Hi, Mama. Hello. How is that? Okay. We'll stop torturing you now.